We'll be making a bag liner today for our knit bag. All right, so when you lay out your fabric to cut it, you will have it so that it's connected at the bottom here. So it's connected at the bottom, and we'll fold it in together like this with the insides facing each other, and we'll cut our fabric that way. All right, so here is a sample of how your measurements should be. So you have the measurement of your bag, and you'll add 1/2 inch to your fabric cut, 1/2 inch to the top, 1/2 inch to the left, 1/2 inch to the right, and also 1/2 inch to the main body width. So total here, you'll add 1.5 inches here to the measurement of your actual bag, and 1/2 inch at the top. All right, so here I have my fabric that's cut out. I've added 1/2 inch here to the top, 1.5 inch to the width, and my bag is connected at the bottom here, so it's actually a really long piece of fabric. Here I folded it so that the right sides are facing each other here. All right, today we are going to be using a heat bond iron-on adhesive, so it's a no-sew method. If you have a sewing machine, it's just 4 quick straight lines, but this is for people who might not have a sewing machine on hand. All right, so this is 3/8 inch, about a little bit over 1/2 inch. So what you need to do is you need to cut 4 pieces of heat bond to the size of the width, and 2 pieces lengthwise. All right, I have my fabric here. I'm going to open it up so that I only have one. I'm working with 1 layer. This is the back side. Okay, this is the right side, and we are going to put our iron-on adhesive here. All right, we're going to leave a 1/2 inch there. We're going to fold this over and iron it. Make sure your iron is on no steam and around medium heat. If you have a sewing machine, all you have to do is fold this over and sew a line here. All right, so iron this down. Hold it for about 3 seconds. All right, I'm going to flip my fabric around to do the other side, the other top. And so the right side of the fabric is facing down. This is the wrong side. And I'm going to put my iron-on heat bond adhesive here about 1/2 inch away from the top so I could fold it in, iron it. Okay, so now I have 2 finished edges on the top here. Let me cut this off here. All right, and now what we want to do is we want to have our fabrics facing each other. All right, and we're going to put 1 piece of heat bond okay on the inside here, so it's kind of sandwiched inside. All right, we'll put this right at the edge here. Okay, we can cut off the excess later. Okay, so I have my heat bond right at the edge there, sandwiched in between the 2 fabrics. And we're going to run the iron across. Okay, and then we'll also do it for the other side. Sandwiched inside. Oops. Start at the bottom here, cut off the excess. So if you have a sewing machine, what you'll just do is sandwich these and just run a line across here. Let me cut this off. All right. Here's my completed bag liner with the right sides facing each other on the inside. This one's already completed, but I'll show you how I attach the bag to the knit bag. All right. So what I do is I pin the right sides together, match the right side, and pin the left sides together as well. So your bag will be evenly distributed. So I'll start off this side and I'll use a needle and a thread and I'll do a whip stitch all the way around, and then I'll attach my handles. So here it is attached right here on the outside. Also, I like to match the bottom corners and add a stitch to the right side and to the left side so that the when you take your things out of your bag, your liner won't pull out as well. And so that is the bag liner.